Today I'm going to show you how to set up gravity forms within your Piggyback blog. Gravity forms is awesome. It's an easy way to add a custom form to gather leads on your Piggyback blog. First, you'll need to go into the plugins area and activate the Gravity Forms plugin. This makes it something that we're able to actually use. If you go under the section called Forms, that was opened whenever we activated the plugin. You see all the different selections within here. So first we're going to start off by creating a new form. We're going to need to give it a title. This is not entirely necessary. It just helps you tell which form you're adding to which blog post or page. This is better for you than for other people. You'll see that there's different fields. There's standard fields, advanced fields, post fields, pricing fields, a lot of stuff that really you're not going to always need. My favorites are always within the standard fields and the advanced fields. So we're going to make a contact form that's going to request their name. So we need to click name under advanced form. This is going to give us a field that says name and then first and last. Email is going to request an email address and phone number to request a phone number. We also want to add a way for them to give us something that they want to talk about, and you can do so by putting in paragraph text from standard fields. Now you can mix this up however you want, but I find this to be the most common setup, maybe with or without the phone number. But I mean, these are really going to be the ways that we want to get in contact with our clients. Now we notice that the paragraph text area has the name Untitled on it. However, we're going to want it to be something different. Maybe comment or write your question here. And you're going to see at the bottom there's an area that says required or no duplicates. You could put no duplicates in an area where you didn't want to get a message from the same person, meaning the same first name, last name, or the same phone number. And in the name field, you can click that as required. We always want to know who we're calling if we're going to get a hold of a client that's trying to get a hold of us. So we're going to click required for email as well, because even if they don't give us a phone, we want to at least be able to get a hold of them by email. And then all you have to do is click update form. Then ta-da, you've got a form that you can put anywhere on your website right now. Now we're going to go under notifications and update the email address that's associated with that contact form. Once on the notifications page, go ahead and click edit under admin notification. We're going to want to change out that email address that's under send to email and put in the email address that we use most often so that we can get those leads sent directly to our email addresses, okay? You can change out a bunch of little things in here, but essentially what's going to happen is it's going to send you an email saying exactly what they've sent to you. You can also come into your Piggyback blog and go under forms and see any of the entries per form that you've created. See, we have our lead capture is the title of the form we made. Now let's go ahead and go add this to a new post. Like always with any post, we always want to have a title, even if it's just a test. From that title, the URL is created, so it's really important. So this is just some text because it's good to have a habit to always do the same thing when it comes to writing a blog. Make sure that you're adding content, adding a photo, adding your title. And if we're going to add a contact form, let's lead into like why people should fill out that contact form. Now you're going to see two sections up there. One's going to say add contact form. This is not going to be the one you're wanting. This isn't going to be the one that you're wanting to use. And you're only going to see that if you're using Jetpack. It's an automatic add-on to Jetpack, but not something to be worried about. Just click add form. Then you're going to be able to click from the drop down the title that you named your lead capture. You can display the form title or the form description. I choose not to for this one. So it adds in a short code and you just click publish. And you can click on View Post after that and see it in action. I'm doing this in another tab, so it's a little bit easier for those of us following along and everything. But you can see how the contact form shows up and it's all active and ready to go. And that's it. That's as easy as it gets. You can do the same thing in a page as well. Now you might use this with something like recreating your contact form if you wanted to take it away from your Keller Williams website. So you can make a Contact Us title to the page and write something nice, obviously something very warm, and select your capture form and click publish. Now this page, you literally could go into your section 3.1 on eAgency and delete the contact form that is showing up in your navigation right away and replace it with this one. But that's totally up to you, and this is just another option that you're able to do. Either way, this is how you do it.